guys, welcome back again to our channel. For today's video, I will show you the fuel pump assembly of a Hyundai H100 Euro 4 engine. If you experience a hard starting engine, especially in the morning, and you have a good battery and a good working starter, you have also checked individually your heater or glow plug, and maybe you might check this fuel pump as well. First thing first is to diagnose your fuel pump. Pull out the outlet hose of your pump and try hand pumping the pump and see if there's fuel rushing out through the outlet side of the hose, and if there's no fuel getting out of the outlet tube. Then you might considering replacing this pump assembly. Consult your mechanic for thorough inspection and diagnosing your car. And here is your fuel pump assembly. Here is your part number. Thank you for watching.